Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 23rd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, a company we're going to take a look at today is one that you might know very well. It's called Anadarko Petroleum Corp., and this is an independent oil and gas trade. What you're going to see is that this stock topped out like many of the other energy stocks in December and has really been rolling over quite a bit. Now, the stock is trying to hold its 200-day moving average, but you could see yesterday it kind of closed right on the moving average. Today it is below there, so fair chance today we could see this close below the 200-day. Either way, it's in a weak technical position. As you can see, the stock flirting with the 200-day moving average, but sitting well below its red line here, which is the 50-day moving average. And anytime a stock does that, it does want to go lower. Now, here's a little bit of a support level, but the way we're consolidating and chopping above this area, this level is very, very minor. So you want to ask yourself, where is the buy level in this name? It's had a great move from early 2016 when it traded as low as $30 a share. But where would be a buy point now? And what I like to do is just go to the weekly chart, clears up the noise, and I get to see a lot of the levels. So we know right off the bat, we have a low right here around $58.59. So that's a pretty good pivot. This 50 moving average is really minor because of the 3 weeks of consolidation above it. So we want to look somewhere in this range. But right off the bat, what I think traders should do is look at the scene of the crime, and that's right here. This is going to be right around the $56, $57 area, $58 area. And then you have this little pivot right here, which the market broke through. So it tells us we're going to narrow this down in between these two ranges. Here would be the high end of the range around 58, the low end of the range being around $55. If you just split hairs and cut it in the middle, you're going to look for a play really right around $56.50, somewhere around the $56 area. So let's just draw a line right in there, and you guys will get a good perspective of where I would buy Anadarko Petroleum. And again, right in this area, give or take 50 cents, either above it or below the line. You get the stock right around the $56 level. This is where you could step in with good comfort, in my opinion, and own the stock. Now, it's a very, very easy trade because all you're going to do is put a stop probably just right. I like to put a stop right up below the $52.50 level. So you're only risking a small amount, and your upside could be all the way back up to $65, possibly $67. So again, this is a good risk-reward setup, but let this come lower as it is telling us right now, especially on the daily chart, especially a close below the 200-day moving average. This tells us this wants to get down to this level. But you get the stock around the $56 area, jump all over it. It's a good risk-reward trade. That's where you want to own this name. And again, lots of institutional support around that area for a long side play. All right, again, if you want to trade alongside of us, please come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, or try out our research center. Research center, you get all of our swing trade setups. You'll also receive our content, our nightly analysis video, a daily market report, and our No Hype Live broadcast, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about anything market related. We are holding a No Hype Live broadcast today at 5:15 p.m. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.